Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making another super healthy, vitamin-rich, high-protein salad. This one is so filling you can even have it for lunch. People often say salads don't have taste, but trust me, once you try this, you'll fall in love. Let's get started. In a big bowl, take any vegetables you love. I'm using lettuce, cucumber, carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes. You can use any type of lettuce, any tomatoes, any bell peppers. It's totally your choice. These veggies are packed with nutrients and make your salad colorful and crunchy. Mix them together nicely so everything looks fresh and vibrant. Now for the protein part, I'm adding paneer pieces. Paneer is basically cottage cheese. You can also use tofu instead. Both are high in protein and make the salad more satisfying. To make it yummier, add salt, garlic powder, chili powder, and a drizzle of olive oil. If you're vegetarian, this is a great choice to keep you full. It's also perfect for kids, packed with protein and nutrients for their growing bodies. Mix it well so every piece is coated with flavor. Then fry it lightly in a pan until the spices stick and the edges turn golden. Do not fry it for a long time, just enough for the flavors to absorb into the paneer. Flip the pieces so all sides cook evenly, soft inside, crispy outside. The aroma is already making me hungry. I can't wait to eat my salad. Looks ready. Now I'll add it to my salad bowl on top of the veggies. This gives your salad that perfect soft and crunchy texture. Now comes the magic, the dressing that ties everything together. In a small bowl, mix yogurt, olive oil, salt, fresh garlic, and chopped chili flakes and lemon juice. These together give the perfect flavor. Always add fresh garlic. It has a completely different taste compared to garlic powder. You can use this dressing on any type of salad you like to eat. Whisk it until smooth and creamy. You'll see it turning glossy. That's when it's ready. This dressing adds tang, spice, and creaminess to your salad. Pour the dressing over your salad. Look how beautifully it coats the veggies and paneer. Give it a gentle mix so everything blends together. The aroma is amazing, fresh, spicy, and creamy all at once. You won't believe a salad can taste this good. This bowl is full of protein, vitamins, and flavor, perfect for your weight loss journey. You'll stop craving junk food once you start eating this. Try it and comment below how you liked it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.